What is wrong here? Where should a bird live? Maybe in a house? Oops, not right. That's right. A bird lives in the sky.